How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. In today's vlog, it's going to be all about pretty much the K1500. We're going to give it a bath with, of course, Chemical Guys Honeydew auto snow foam auto wash with my foam cannon. It's already prepped and ready to go. Pressure washer's ready to do. 2 bucket methods ready. All that's ready to go with that. Guys, like I said before, I don't know why I never went Chemical Guys to begin with. Spend the extra money. Get yourself at least a Chemical Guys Honeydew foam auto wash, a pressure washer, and a foam cannon, and you will never go back again. I'm telling you that right now. But anyways, we're gonna get the truck washed. We're gonna get the rest of the O2 sensors put in this truck, do the frame lights on it, and then start on the front end. That's right, guys, the front end build is gonna start. I cannot wait. It's gonna be so freaking badass. But that's what's going on right now, so let's get right into it. Well, the truck is now clean. The reason why I didn't show me foam cannon like I did the first time I used it is because, we're using the foam cannon, is because I'm trying to figure out the best way to use it so I can tell you guys. I will do a full detailed video once I figure out the way I will preferably do, like, use the foam cannon and stuff like that, and the products I use. I'm still trying different products for different things, but definitely gonna go with the Chemical Guys on everything now, because they are just like the best when it comes to this kind of stuff. But for right now, we're gonna start working on the truck. We're gonna get the O2 sensors put into the front two, work on the LED frame lights, and then start with the front end. So we'll keep you all updated as time goes on. Finally got all the O2 sensors out. As you tell from last week's vlog, we already got the rear out. I just put the front ones in, the new front ones, and they look just basically the same as that. But what for tools you need to have is just some snips to cut the plastic little pieces off. This right here, like that. Gotta cut those off and get them out easier. And then we use a 22 wrench, just, you know, classic wrench, just to undo them. They're real easy. Mine were real easy to take out. I know a lot of people complain about they're such a pain in the ass to take out, but mine actually weren't bad at all. So yeah, we took them out. So we're gonna fire up the truck and see what it sounds like. All right, guys, so far so good. Sounds like it normally does. See if we threw any check engine lights. Nope, no check engine lights on the dash. It sounds good, and babe just pulled in. All right, guys, so quick update. We got the OP7 frame lights out. What we're gonna run right now is just the 2 long ones on the side of the frame. All right, guys, so me and my dad, we got the frame lights on. You see there's one right here, and then there's one on the other side. I'll show y'all real quick. Zip tied all the wires nice and tight. Run them up into the cab. And then we got the control module for this one up under here, right up underneath there. Got that zip tied off. And this runs actually to my cigarette lighter right here, that's on and off with the remote right there. So we got that wired in that way. It'd be easier for this way. And it's bright. Let me tell you, they are bright. And so we'll show you some film clips tonight of them working and whatnot, and we'll go from there. Alright, guys, it's currently Sunday, and there's my Uber. Yeah, it's gonna be legit. It's gonna be a good day, boys. This is one of 2 truck reviews I'm doing today. Well, you'll see in this vlog. But my first 6.7 aluminum body. So make sure you check out, tag me popping up right now for his video review. It's gonna be freaking awesome. As my music turns on. But I cannot wait to do this truck review. The stance on that damn thing is freaking unreal. I just got done with that badass 6.7 powerstroke review. Like I said, guys, make sure you check out that video if you haven't already. It's a fantastic video. Awesome way to kick off 2019 for the truck reviews. Can't wait for many more this year, of course. But damn, that was an awesome review. That was an awesome truck. Loved it. So right now, I'm gonna head over to Ace Hardware's and pick up a part for the truck. Not for the truck, but for like a fuse or something for this accessory. And then we'll be heading back to the house. Alright, guys. Sam's pulling in. Pulling straight, babe. Come on. Come on. got Sam the Ram all cleaned up now. She's got a full wash with some spray detailer on the wheels, or tire, black stuff, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, so right now we're about to head down, do some rollers of her, and then do the full truck review. So of course Ty will be popping up for that. Make sure you check that out, guys. It's gonna be an awesome awesome video with an some awesome rollers, and if I can speak, it'd be wonderful. But yeah, that's Sam, Ashley, Sam, Ashley, Sam, Ashley, Ashley, Sam. We have just finished up dinner at Smoky Mountain Brewery, which is always a fantastic dinner. And now, I don't know what we're doing next, but we might cruise around a little bit. I'm not sure, but babe, how was it?
It was good.
It was really good. It was really good. I mean, Sam the Ram still. Doing Sam the Ram things. She's cold. It's a little nippy out for being a March in Tennessee, but at least it's sunny. At least there's no freaking rain.
Not right now.
Yeah, not right now. I say that and there'll be a rain cloud come in. So we went to Twin City Truck Center because they usually have a good assortment of trucks, but the Raptor's gone. They used to be here, and they don't have much in diesels. They wanted basically $40,000 for a 2012 Ram 2500. It was a Bighorn, so it had center console, heated seats, and all that, but it had almost 100,000 miles on it. And I was like, yeah, kiss my ass, I ain't getting that. That's ridiculous for one with 90,000 freaking miles on it. Babe didn't find Durango though.
No.
They had no Durangos, but I offered her a Jeep and she said no.
No.
Not a Jeep, girl.